Ladies and gentlemen, aspiring YouTubers and dream chasers, today I want to share with you a story of perseverance, creativity, and generosity. A story that can inspire every one of you to reach for greatness. It's the story of Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast. Jimmy started his YouTube journey in 2012 when he was just 13 years old. Like many of you, he began with simple videos, trying to find his niche and make his mark. For years, his channel remained small, barely gaining traction. But Jimmy had a vision, and he was relentless in his pursuit of it. He spent countless hours studying the platform, understanding what worked and what didn't. He didn't let the slow growth discourage him. Instead, he used it as a learning experience, a stepping stone to refine his craft. Jimmy knew that success wouldn't come overnight, but he was willing to put in the work, day in and day out. In 2017, everything changed. Jimmy's unique approach of giving away large sums of money and performing extravagant stunts began to catch the attention of viewers worldwide. His video, counting to 100,000, was a breakthrough, showcasing his dedication and willingness to go the extra mile for his content. People started to notice the authenticity and effort he put into each video. But it wasn't just the stunts that made MrBeast stand out. It was his heart. Jimmy didn't just chase views and subscribers. He used his growing influence to give back. He donated thousands of dollars to strangers, friends, and charities, creating a ripple effect of positivity and generosity. His philanthropy became a cornerstone of his brand, inspiring millions to do good in their own lives. So, what can we learn from MrBeast's journey? 1. Persistence pays off. Jimmy's success didn't happen overnight. It was the result of years of hard work, learning, and refining his content. Never give up on your dreams, even when the path seems long and challenging. 2. Be authentic. Audiences can tell when you're genuine. Be true to yourself and your passions. Let your personality shine through your content, and people will connect with you on a deeper level. 3. Think big and be creative. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Take risks and experiment with your content. Innovation is key to standing out in a crowded space. 4. Give back. Use your platform for good, whether it's through charity, uplifting others, or spreading positivity. Giving back will not only enrich your community, but also your own life. 5. Believe in yourself. Jimmy believed in his vision even when success seemed distant. Trust in your abilities and stay committed to your goals, no matter how lofty they may seem. Remember, every great YouTuber started where you are today, with a dream and a camera. Let MrBeast's story remind you that with perseverance, creativity, and a generous spirit, you too can turn your dreams into reality. So, go out there, create amazing content, and inspire the world. Your journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. Thank you.